Who the fuck is in the truck hiding? Oh, there you are.
Don't be so aggressive. I'm the new guy.
The bathroom up here was a little colder. It's at 10 degrees. Hey, who wants to follow my chicken shit ass down into the basement to check temperatures?
Not it. I'll go.
Oh shit! Look at the soap bottle that's on the floor.
Yeah, it's 3 degrees in here.
That thing just flew at me from over there.
I'm getting a 5. I'm getting a EMF 5. Oh, it wrote in it immediately.
Oh, he wrote it. Leave or die. Don't gotta tell me twice.
See you guys later.
Yeah, I need a crucifix because that son of a bitch is being an asshole.
I'm bringing you one. No, don't you walk out that front door, motherfucker. I'll drop it for you. Don't worry.
Since it responds to everyone, we could probably all go in there and piss it off.
Probably.
Where you at, Big Dick Donald Martin? There's your fucking crucifix right there, you son of a bitch.
Bring it on, Donald Martin. You bitch.
Apparently he's a shy ghost. That means he's a bitch.
Big old bitch.
Donald Martin, Donald Martin, Donald Martin.
You know, as soon as we take off fucking walking out of here, he's gonna fucking get us, right?
Oh,
What is it again?
did anyone else hear that?
Nope.
Oh my god!
I heard that shit.
Take the one in the brown shirt.
Oh!
Shit! Let's go.
Got him.
Bye, Donald Martin.
Shut up.
Alright, we got the asylum, the high school, a farmhouse, and another farmhouse.
The biggest location there is.
Asylum it is.
Fuck
I'll
these
go with
guys,
you,
we
John.
don't need them.
Oh god, there's an echo.
This fucking light's on already.
Can you hear?
Hey, yeah, this is the room. This is the room.
Have we been in here?
No, that's when the lights are on already.
Went up
Why
the
is the
wrong
light
set
on?
of
Yeah, it's
stairs.
it's 4 degrees. The lights were on already when we got in here. This is the room. I've been trying to tell you this whole time, but I haven't been hitting the fucking button. Sorry.
What an amateur.
Yeah, I'm a fucking pleb. Do you drink craft beer?
Oh, that's a grade A sign of a bitch boy.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna ask. If you drink craft beer, it's a fucking a shade. Okay, just shy little bitch.
And he probably wears a fucking visor.
What's wrong with visors?
Why do I
Nothing.
feel like Nick's wearing a visor right now?
I own a visor, but I'd like to know
Nothing.
why it's wrong.
Nothing's wrong with it.
I would pick the crucifix up. Me and
Oh, never
Sean
mind,
will
it's-
walk out, and then you just watch
Oh,
that
you
EMF
fucking
and-
bastard!
You
Hey,
can do this.
I don't have the
I stayed in here
crucifix.
last time.
I don't have the
It's in
crucifix.
your
It's
hand.
in your
I see it.
hand.
No, it's fucking not.
I literally just took a picture of you holding it.
Come on, bro.
You fucking bastard!
There you go, Josh. Figure it out.
Oh, what's funny is it's not in his hand.
Well,
Oops.
Fat Jesus, you do have the biggest sanity out of everybody.
You fucking right. I got a big sanity.
Alright, we can wait right here for him.
Oh shit! It just moved some shit.
Michael Clark, fuck fat Jesus up. Bran.
Yep.
Let's just go back to the van.
Alright.
Y'all are fucking assholes, damn it.
No, we're just going to the van. We're watching you.
Yeah, exactly.
Hey, don't worry,
I
we got
wish that somebody. Hey,
Go,
might
go,
not,
go,
but
go.
we got
pick up the camera
Go.
on the table.
Oh hell no! I ain't moving out of this fucking corner.
You might have to.
Can
He
you at least
spawned
turn?
in.
Can you at least turn the camera?
Oh
Brandon.
hell no! I ain't moving
Yep.
from this fucking corner.
Go to the van.
I'm waiting on you, my man.
Go. I'm coming.
I don't mean to alarm you, Fat Jesus, but I'm seeing something in the hallway.
Oh yeah, I can definitely fucking hear something. You fucking bastard! I saw your goddamn arm. Get out of here. It clipped through the
Son of a
fucking door.
bitch. Son of a bitch.
Fuck y'all, I'm
Sean,
out.
You should just kept going. I would have told him you were here with me.
Fuck you, Michael, you pussy.
I would have shat
you-
myself laughing if he did something just then.
Yeah, I would have screamed like a little bitch.
Pushed you up against the wall and just ate your ass. Just ate it raw.
Brandon, go left, you moron.
Josh, this way.
God,
I swear to God, if y'all were in Walmart, y'all'd get fucking lost.
Man, you're
I've
sitting
got
at
fucking
58
lost
degrees,
before.
you cold-hearted son bitch.
Uh-oh. There's our fucking EMF going off.
He's
Oh,
hunting.
shit. No,
oh
God, get out.
fuck!
Oh God. I'm watching.
Get the fuck away from me, Josh.
Like I can see just someone's arm sticking into frame on this fucking camera. It's a shy ghost that doesn't want you guys to leave. What was that? Ooh, I saw something in the hallway.
Oh my God, Brand. We totally fucking lost this one.
Alright, I got mine down for sure.
Alright, we
I'm
ready?
good.
Yep.
Fucking bastard.
Do y'all want to do the farmhouse or the street house?
Farmhouse is fine.
My flashlight
Damn. That is one hot ass you got there.
Oh, I know.
and the
Oh, oh, you know, huh? What the hell?
all right. Steven Martinez responds to everyone.
He's about to respond to the pic of this hot ass.
I thought you were gonna say respond to this fat dick.
Yeah.
This fat
Yeah.
cock.
Whoa. The cock word. Not big on the word cock.
God damn this fucking door.
It's a open. It's a pull.
It's an open, huh?
Fuck you.
It looked like it was a closed.
This
Fuck
door is
you.
an open- That's what you say when you go into rooms, huh? This door is open.
Hey, why don't both of y'all fuck my ass?
That's
Let me
gay.
in on that party. I mean, that's
No.
gay.
I mean, that's good.
Maybe that's the
Oh,
cock
oh,
like
oh,
What- where-
oh,
where?
oh, 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 oh,
Where?
oh,
Goddamn, words.
oh, oh. It's up here.
Okay, here,
Okay,
up here.
I was about to say up here. That kind of helps.
Yeah, fuck
Yeah.
you. It's up
We
there.
know- We know altitude.
Got it.
Okay, it's over here. Turn
I
around.
think
What'd
we're
you
good
get?
here. Yep, this house is haunted.
Did you see something?
Yeah, I did.
What'd you see?
Just a shadow thing.
You take a picture?
A shadow thing.
What room?
No, I didn't take a
Damn it,
picture. I got the
what
fuck
room?
out of there.
I'm not getting any UV.
Oh God, fuck me. Who did that?
Nobody.
Fuck with the door?
I didn't fucking touch the door. Oh, sweet Jesus. Sweet
the
fat
two.
Jesus, help me.
Making sure you didn't get closed out. Would hate to have you get killed. That would be unbearably funny.
You fucking asshole. You fucking bastard.
I'm gonna die.
Turn around, dipshit.
Turn around, both dipshits.
Turn your flashlight off.
Okay, yeah, that's a good one. Can y'all see